Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new iPhone 11 case. And this is from UAG Urban Armor Gear. It is called the Plasma. And as you can see, they didn't know the name of the phone, so they just called it the new iPhone 6.1 inch 2019. So I believe they made this previously for the other phones, but it has an armor shell, soft impact resistant core, and feather-like composite construction. And this cost $39.99 on their website. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. And I got the blue color because blue is my favorite color, so that's why I got it. So it comes in this nice plastic case here, built to go further. Alright, and so I thought it was going to be like a TPU kind of material, but it's actually hard plastic. You have a little insert here. So there is, yeah, it's just hard plastic with a kind of TPU surround around it. And here you can see it has a little slit where the button is for the power and sleep button. On the bottom here we have cutouts for lightning connector, speaker, and mic. And the other side we have kind of slits there as well with our volume up and down. And it is pretty nice and see-through here. Hopefully it doesn't get too scratched up, but we will find out as we use it here. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop it in the phone. Alright, so we got the iPhone 11 here. Let's go ahead and pop it on here. Okay, and you can see it does have a nice added lip on around it, on the corners especially, which is nice. So you know you have some impact protection there. Good cutout for your sleep and silent switch, and they made it kind of big, so I think that they didn't know whether it was going to be moved or not. So, and then on the back here we have a nice cutout for our camera here. And I think this would look better probably on a white phone because you'd be able to see the color more, but I think it looks really nice, the blue and the black. Yeah, so there you go. So it looks really, really nice, and yeah, I'll definitely keep you updated on that. Anyway, just quick unboxing, quick look at this Urban Armor Gear Plasma case for the iPhone 11. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.